Hello, Team TFT, and welcome back to another daily market outlook video. Today, again, looking at the DXY, the Euro USD, and the GBP USD after the moves of yesterday. Now, as we can see here, I'd just like to point out on the DXY to start with, we are coming down into quite a big range here. We've had this pull up, it's worked back down, and then we've sort of taken off from there. We have yet to retest this area. We can see we've wicked into it once earlier in the week and got a bit of a rejection, but we're yet to come back down into that zone again. So basically what I'm anticipating is we've had this push up, but as we discussed yesterday, we were yet to break that structural high on the 4-hour, and we are still technically bearish, but we are just at the moment stuck within this range from here to here. Okay, so basically what we're looking for today is to hopefully get a break either way to give us a little bit more clarity on what sort of direction we're going to see from here, whether we're seeing a bit of an accumulation to go long and possible retrace, or whether we're seeing an accumulation to continue bearish. Before we go too far, I'll just have a quick look at the economic calendar again today. So again, as per this week has been around the open of the New York, we have obviously some red and orange news there on the USD, and GBP possibly has some red news there as well. We'll just have to wait and see. But again, if you're trading the London session, the start of the London, you should be quite fine. So basically, at this point in time, we're just a kind of a wait and see on the DXY, see what's going to play out. Euro USD, let's have a look in there. Now, as we can see the other day, we had that big push up into the same area that we're looking for in the Dixie. So, but we've actually gone deeper into this zone here, where in the Dixie, it's only just wicked into it. Okay, so what we're looking at the moment is, are we going to see a rejection from this area for a possible continuation, or is this bullish structure that we've seen here on the 4-hour, obviously like break of structure through here, and obviously now another break of structure through here. Are we looking to continue this trend, or are we going to see a bit of a rejection and a retrace from this area? So it's just kind of a bit of a wait and see at the moment. But we'll jump down on the 15-minute and see if we can't look at some areas that we could be looking to trade from. So basically, first things first, the point that sort of we need to obviously distinguish our range. So we've 15 minutes here. Obviously, we've had this pull up, pull down. We've sort of come back up, set this high, come down, set a low, which didn't break the previous low. And now we're sort of range bound in there. So this is our range from here to here. So naturally, we're going to have a couple of points of interest, one on the top and one on the bottom. So this big extended wick here for me is a point of interest. And obviously this lower last bearish candle here on the 15-minute is obviously a point of interest for me as well. So basically what I'm looking for today is what are we going to see coming out of these areas? We are obviously working a little bit bullish here on the 15-minute, obviously pushing up, and we're not really setting lower lows. So we could see a continuous push up, but again, with the amount of sell pressure that came out of this wick, we could actually see this sort of meandering price action doing this type of thing, working its way up, which could see an ultimate push down like that. So basically, we want to see what's going to happen when it comes to these areas. Are we going to start flipping and going bearish, or are we going to break through and go bullish? So basically, these two areas for me are the key points for today. Look at what happens when it comes into there, and see if we can take some trades based off that. So basically coming down into here, we could be looking for some long opportunities. Coming up into here, just wait and see, if we do get a bit of a knockback, obviously wait to see that lower time frame, break of structure before going short, or we could just take continuation from a long just there. So basically, that's what I'm looking for on the Euro USD for today. GBP USD. Now we do have quite similar thing going on here. Obviously, this one can move up to this last bearish candle in here like that, and same thing here, this last bullish intent there before coming down, and basically the same sort of scenario happening here. We have built a lot of liquidity sitting here, which is the first thing that we can sort of identify through here. We have a lot of liquidity sitting there, so it kind of makes sense we work down into here, take this liquidity, and then start going long. So that would be a really nice trade for me, and what I would be looking for today's price action. And again, just I would like to see, if we push up into this area, a strong rejection, and then possibly looking for a short if the price action sort of plays that way. But anyway, guys, another great week, another good lot of trading. We had some members in the community taking some good trades and profits this week. So again, we do have our private Discord, which you can be a part of if you go to our website. So it's in the links in the description below. But if not, you guys have a good weekend, and I'll catch you next week. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen's Forex group, tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.